did previously. It's just that I'm using the overhand instead of the underhand as the transition. So still your barrel roll, then your weave, then you go to your barrel roll on this side, then back to your weave, then your barrel roll on this side, then back to your weave. That's the pattern. I did 3 different versions of the pattern. The first version of the pattern that I did used going from the weave. You do 1 and 1, and then you turn back into the weave. That was the first version. And with the first version, the weave itself, I did a 2-beat weave. So I did 1, 2, 2 beat, 1, 2, 2 beat, 1, 2, 2 beat, 1, 2, 2 beat. The second version of the pattern, I did 1, 2, 3, 2 beat. So it does the circle, the circle, the circle, back to the 2 beat. The circle, the circle, the circle, back to the 2 beat. I don't know that one is more right or wrong than the other one. It really depends on context, timing, music, intent, space, probably feelings, artistic choices, all of the things. Depends on everything you could possibly imagine. So, the first version of the pattern, you did 2 flowers and then the 2-beat weave. 2 flowers and the 2-beat weave. The second version did 3 flowers and the 2-beat weave. 3 flowers and the 2-beat weave. And then the third version did 3 flowers and the 3-beat weave. 3 flowers and the 3-beat weave. Again, I don't think one is better or worse than the other. I will say, I think for slickness, the 2-beat weave looks a little more confusing / cool. Confusing if you don't know what's going on, cool if you do know what's going on. So I think that the 2-beat in the middle has a slicker factor, but that doesn't make it better. Getting it in here, in this little groove. So just remind yourself, let's do 10 of these to pull ourselves in, down and in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's going to be the same with both directions of the pattern. It's just a matter of which way the poi are going to be spinning. For the purposes of this lesson, let's shoot for 3 flowers and the 2-beat weave, which I think might be just the right balance. Okay, if we start here in the overhand weave and we're going to go to our right side, then do the lockout here, and then turn the 180 degrees, keeping the arms low and tight back behind you. So starting again, we're in the overhand weave, and we bring it to the right side, and we'll go flower, turn, flower, 1 more turn, and then cross with the right hand on top, and you go back into the weave. And then let's just do, say, 5 of them on this right side here. And here we go. So lockout, turn, turn, weave. And second set, lockout, turn, turn, weave. And third set, lockout, turn, turn, weave. And fourth set, lockout, turn, turn, weave. And last set, lockout and turn and turn and weave. What you're doing, if I were to model you but face your back so that you can see it, you are doing this. Okay, so your first pedal is pretty good. Your second pedal is also pretty good, but your arms are floating up, creeping, I'll call it, creeping up. And then when you get to your third one, you're kind of up here rather than relaxing in the shoulders. So allow the shoulders to drop down so that the poi can be, I mean, the idea is it wouldn't be a height relative to the ground, it would be a height relative to your body, and you're shooting for using the T. What you're shooting for is bringing the elbows down like this. And when I say tight, I mean coming in so you're not fully extended like this and pulling the elbow down. So it should almost look like you're making a W from the tip of this finger up to your neck in the middle, down and up to this hand here. as opposed to like you were almost at an I here, or initially you were up here, almost kind of making a U. We go to the other side, same thing. We're here, we're gonna lock out, turn, turn, back to weave. Let's do it again, 5 more times. Lock out, turn, turn, weave. 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 Let's just do one more. Lock out, turn, turn. Now cross to the other side. Here's where the tricky part with the 2 beat comes in. When I exit from it going on my left side, I do the lockout, the turn, and the turn. The left hand is behind. I'm gonna take it, cross it over the top, and then immediately lock out here like this. Turn, turn. Then the right is in the back. It's gonna cross on top, and then I lock out here. Turn, turn. Okay, let's go to the left side first, and we'll try and do 5 going both ways. We'll go to left, then right, left, right, left, right, left, so on. And here we go, 5, 6, 7, and lock out left, turn, and turn. Cross the left on top, now lock out right, and turn, right on top, cross to the left, lock out, and turn, left on top, cross to the right side, lock out, turn, right on top, cross to the left, lock out, and turn, left crosses to the right, lock out, turn, right on top, cross left, lock out, turn, left on top, cross, lock out, turn, right on top, cross and lock out, turn, cross the right, lock out, turn, left on top, cross, sorry, right on top, lock out, and turn, and to the right side, lock out, turn, and back to you. You do this, but then you're accidentally going into same time here before turning, so that you're remaining in same time there when you turn. What might be helpful is when you get, so you're going to your right, I reoriented so that I'm facing the other way, so that my right is now on your side so you can see it. When you go into it here, make sure you really have a split time before you do the turn. And then because you're turning to the right, try leading with your right hand in that and see if that helps you.